Hi everyone, I'm Genene and I'm here to show you a yogic dynamic stretching sequence. Today we're focused on what we call in yoga crescent, or maybe it's called a modified Virabhadrasana 1, stepping forward and stepping backwards. So let's get started. If you have balancing issues, make sure you grab a chair because this will challenge your sense of balance. If you have a chair, it's in the middle of your mat. Back of the chair seat is facing in to the middle. Let's start on the left-hand side, just like this. So you're going to be stepping your right leg forward. So do that, and then step it back. And then step it back behind you, and then back to center. Now, adding breath. So, inhale for nothing. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, step your right leg forward. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, behind you. Inhale, center. So that's what we're going to be doing, just a little bit deeper. If you want to stick with those small movements and you need the balance of the chair, stay here. If you don't, then come to the back of your mat. You can always leave the chair there just in case if you like. So first, stepping forwards. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, step the right leg forward. Left leg stays straight. And then inhale, come back to Tadasana. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, back to Tadasana. Now, if you want, raise your arms overhead. Inhale for nothing. Exhale, step the right leg forward, arms overhead. And then inhale, back to center. Inhale, step it forward. And exhale, back. Same exact thing, just stepping backwards. So come to the front of your mat so you have room. And then arms by your side. Inhale, right leg goes back. Exhale, forward. So trying to stay upright and not just bowing forward. Inhale, step the right leg back. And exhale, forward. So now, add the arms. Inhale, arms overhead, step it back. And exhale, forward. Try to step back just a little bit deeper this time. Inhale. And exhale. Take a breath here. So if you are using a chair, make sure that you move it to the other side now, like so. I'm moving it out of the way just so you can see what I am doing. Then, either you're starting at the back of your mat or you're staying in the middle of your mat if you don't want to go that far. And we're going to be stepping forward, arms by our sides. Inhale. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, come back. Exhale, forward. And inhale, back. Add the arms. Inhale, left leg forward. And exhale, back. Inhale, left leg forward. And exhale, back. Take a breath. Walk to the front of your mat. Left leg goes back. Ready? Arms by your side to start. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, left leg back. And exhale, forward. Now add the arms. Inhale, left leg back, arms overhead. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, back to center. Take a breath. and exhale. Okay. This one is super fun. We're going to start by coming to the back of our mat.
Either arms by your sides,
Or
hands in front of your heart.
or arms overhead if you want it harder. You can always bring your hands to your hips. Sometimes people like that. Makes them feel steady. Your choice, but putting it all together. Inhale and exhale. Step the right leg forward. Inhale, Virabhadrasana 3. Exhale, high lunge. Inhale, Tadasana. And exhale, step the right leg forward. Inhale, bear 3. Exhale, high lunge. Inhale, Tadasana. Now, release your arms down by your side. We got to go backward. We don't have to, but we're going to. So, step your right leg back. Yeah. And then this is going to feel weird because you're going forward into Virabhadrasana 3. And now you're going backward. And now step the right leg forward. Okay. So your arms can be wherever you want. We'll do that one just one more time because it's a little weird, right? Hands wherever you want. Step it back. Vira 3. Down. And Tadasana. Now we got to go to the left side. Move your chair. From backward. From forward. From the back of your mat. Hands wherever you want. Just do one of these. Inhale, exhale, step it forward. Inhale, lift into Virabhadrasana 3. Exhale, lower. Inhale, step the left leg back. Now, stepping the left leg backward. Inhale. Exhale, step the left leg back. Inhale, Vira 3. Exhale, high lunge. Inhale, Tadasana. Hands wherever you want. Inhale, step the leg back. Inhale, Vira 3. Exhale, and inhale, Tadasana. Take a nice wide stance. Inhale, stretch your arms overhead, and then exhale, bow. Right hand to the floor underneath, right in the center of your mat. Inhale, left hand to left hip, twist to the left. You can always reach your left arm up to the sky. And then exhale, lower down, twist the other way. Left hand down, right hand to hip or arm overhead, twist. Exhale, come back to center. Either walk your hands up your legs or with a nice long spine, come up into Tadasana. And you are done. Congratulations. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. That really supports me. And also, make sure that you click the like button because that tells me I'm doing a good job. I'll do more like this. And give me any comments. And I look forward to working with you again very soon. Namaste.